cold open. The River Thames, a flowing body of water that's the lifeblood of London, but also a potential threat. To keep flood risks at bay, the city has implemented an innovative system, the Thames Barrier, an awe-inspiring feat of engineering. This structure, spanning 520 meters across the river, can be raised or lowered according to the tide levels. In operation since the early 80s, it's a testament to the city's resilience. The cost? A cool £534 million back in the day, but the value of the protection it offers? Priceless. So, next time you're in London, spare a thought for the Thames Barrier, the silent guardian keeping the city safe. End. Until next time, here's to the marvels of engineering and the power of human innovation.